Hello everybody, it's Sandy here from Cessnock City Library, here to share another holiday fun project with you. So today we're having a little look at kitchen scraps gardening, which is a great way to teach your adults about reusing and recycling. So, you end up with some pretty manky looking vegetables in the bottom of your crisper. Now, don't let your adult throw them out. Some of them you can regrow, do all sorts of things with. So I'll just take you through what I've been doing with my kitchen scraps for the last couple of weeks. Okay, so here's a carrot top. That was a pretty old carrot. I've put it in about 1/2 inch of water, and there's some lovely greens just starting to come through the top, and it's put out a few little hairy roots around the bottom. So that will the greens will just keep on growing. You can use them in salads. Same with this rather old onion that I've just popped in the top of a bottle full of water, and that's been growing roots very nicely, and eventually it'll start sprouting green from the top, and that you can use in salads as well. This is a bit more of a long-term one. This is an avocado seed, so I've put 4 toothpicks in it, popped it in a jar of water. This actually probably takes a few months to, and then it will eventually sprout, and you can grow your very own avocado tree. Lastly, one of the easiest things to do with scraps of herbs is to cut off about 10 centimetres of their stem and pop them in a jar of water, and they should start growing roots pretty quickly. So this is a bit of basil. There's some tiny little roots there, and this is mint, and oh, this one's going great guns. Yes, lots of roots on that one. So yeah, when they have sprouted enough roots, you can plant them out in your garden, or you can put them in a little pot and maybe, give them as a present to someone. What a lovely present, a little pot of herbs. Okay, so there's heaps more ideas on the internet, and we've also got an information sheet on the school holiday fun part of Cessnock City Library's website. So have a look on there, check out all the other cool activities, and enjoy your holidays. See you soon. Bye.